A very good afternoon to class 6th. As in the yesterday's lecture, we have completed exercise 11.3, which is about the power. Right? In that power, there are two main basic words. First one is base, and second is exponent and power, you can say, or degree. Right? These are the words. What is base? On which the power apply, right? Or the number is the base. This one is the power, exponent, degree, whatever you want to say. What is this? It means the number of times the base multiply by itself. Clear? Now this is about the yesterday's topic. So let's come to the today's one, that is 11.4. What is algebraic expressions? Right? So before going to start about algebraic expressions, you know about these words, that is variables, numbers, operations, right? So what is variables? This we have already studied. Variables are the numbers that contain some values, right? Like x, y, z. These are the variables. After that, numbers, or you can say constant, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next one is operations, that are addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. Clear about these three words? Variables, numbers and operations. Now, a mathematical expression that contains variable, numbers and operations is called an algebraic expressions. Like 5x plus 3. This is an algebraic expression. Right? So, any mathematical expressions which contain variables, number and operations, and this one is the constant, is called the algebraic expressions. Right? This algebraic expression can separated by addition or subtraction. In this you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division or 4 operations. Clear about this? What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a mathematical expression which contain variable, numbers and operations. Like this is the example of algebraic expression. Now the next one is about its types. So there are 4 types. First one is monomial. Students, watch this video very carefully, because this polynomial will goes up to after 12th also. Right? So the first type of algebraic expression is monomial. in which there is only one term. Only one term. Like 10x, 3xy, 7p, 8z, right? See, these are single. So this is monomial. You can learn it like this also. Mono means 1. Now the second one, that is binomial. Binomial is the expression with two terms. In binomial, two terms. So bi means 2. Example, you can say 7x plus 4, 3x minus 8, 4x plus 3y, right? Means two term. One, you can say one with variable and second is constant. Two terms is there, right? So that is binomial. Now the third one is trinomial. Third one is trinomial. See, the word tri. In this, the word tri means 3 terms. How many terms? 3 terms. For example, 3x plus 4y minus 5z. Right? How many terms are there? 3. So what we call it? Trinomial. After that, the fourth one is polynomial. More than 3 terms. More than 3. Right? Or you can say many terms. Like ax5 plus 3x square plus by2 plus bx plus 4. See, there are 4 terms, more than 3, so that is polynomial. Right, students? So there are the 4 types of algebraic expression. First one, monomial, in which only one term, like 3xy, 7p, 8z, or you can say in which no operation is used. In the term where no operation is used, only one term is there, that is monomial expressions. Second is about binomial. Binomial in which 2 terms are there. Right? Examples you can see. Third is trinomial. In trinomial there are 3 terms. 3x plus 4y minus 5z, or you can say ax plus by plus c. After that, the fourth one is polynomial. That is more than 3 terms. Right? So this is about the types of polynomial. Now, after the type of polynomial, one more word, that is, look beta, this single one, from anyone you can take, 10x, 7x, 3x, ax to the power 5. What we call this? This single are known as term. See, when they attach with another variable, there it known as expression, but before that expressions, single one they call term. Right? So in this, the term is 1 and that is 10x. In this, there are two terms, 7x plus 4. So 2 are 7x and 4, right? Same like for trinomial, in this 1, 2, 3. How many terms are there? 3. In polynomial, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Clear? What is term? What do you mean by algebraic expressions? What are variables, numbers, operations, and types of expressions? Clear, students? This is about the algebraic expression. Now, if a variable, see in this, in all the types, I gave the example in the numerator form, right? Means downside denominator is not there. So what we call that polynomial? That is non-polynomial. What is that? Non-polynomial. Right? Means that is not the polynomial or an algebraic expressions. See, look at this. This is the question in your book. That is, in any expression, if the variable is in the denominator, it will not be a polynomial. Can you guess why? So that will not be the polynomial. So what we call it? Non-polynomial. Now, why we call it that, you will find and reply me in comments. So clear, students? This we have done. After this, there is one table for you given on the page number 95. That is, expressions are given here. You have to write the number of terms and the term. In this, 1 and 2. How many terms are there? 2. And terms are 4x and 3z. Right? Same like this. You have to solve all this. See, here variables are up. Z up hai. 4 down, that is constant. Clear? So this is a polynomial. In this side, if the variable is in the denominator, so variable means the expression is like this, 3x plus 4y by 2z. Z is the variable and it comes down. Right? So, don't get confused while seeing these. 1 by 4, a as it is. 4 is constant beta. So, this is the polynomial. After this, the next topic, that is of degree of the polynomial. After this types, next point that comes is degree of the polynomial. So what is this degree of a polynomial? See, 3x to the power 6 plus 4x square plus 3. This is a polynomial given here. In this polynomials, you can see the degree means also the power. Here the power is 6 and the 2. So the largest power of a variable in a polynomial is known as the degree of the polynomial, right? The largest exponent of variable in any polynomial is known as the degree. So the degree of this polynomial is 6. If it is like this, then in this, firstly exponents are or power are 7 and 8. So largest one is 8. So degree of the polynomial is 8. Right, students? Clear to everyone? Degree of a polynomial is largest exponent of a variable. variable means x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever, then the largest exponent of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. Clear? After this, there comes the topic factors and coefficient. Before that, look in your book, there is one table again for degree. See in this, the exponent are 4 and 2. So the degree here greater one is 4. So degree is 4. Now in the second one, the largest exponent or the largest power 6. 2 is less than 6. So degree of this polynomial is 6. Now come to the third one, 3 and 5. So in this, which one is the largest? 5. So the degree of the polynomial comes 5. Clear? Now, after this, factors and coefficient. Next topic is of factor and coefficient. So come to the next one, that is about the factors and coefficient. So about coefficient, I told you earlier also when we discussed about the variables. So beta, what is coefficient? Coefficients are the numbers with the variables, right? Coefficients are the numbers with the variables. See, like this 3x. So this x is variable and this 3 is coefficient. Clear? So, in any term of an expression, the numerical factor along with the sign means here no sign, it means this is of plus. If it is like this, then this complete minus 3 is coefficient. Clear? And this x is variable. Now the next is factors. What is factor? Factor are term that divides the expression completely. Same as the meaning of factor in HCF and LCM. Factors the number which divide the expression completely. Like this 30x. So it can be divided by 30, by 30x, by 2x, by 6x, by 5x, right? So these are the factors of this. Clear, students? Factor means a term that divides an algebraic expression completely. Now, see, the term after this, the next topic is parts of an expression. After this, the next topic is parts of expression, algebraic expression. Look, this is the expression, right? So in this, wait, 3x plus 6, right? This complete one is term. This complete one is known as terms. This single one, complete one is the expression, algebraic expression. These are the one terms. 3x is a term and 6 is the terms, right? After this x is the variable. What is this variable? This 3, this is coefficient. This 6, constant. Because see, x is a variable because it contains values, right? 6 is the constant because if we put the value of x, then there is no change in the value of 6. 6 will remain the 6, and this one is the operation. Clear to everyone? This complete one, 3x plus 6, is known as the algebraic expression. Single one, 3x and 6, are known as terms. After come to the single part, 6 is the constant because it does not change. Plus is the operation which used. X is the variables which we have discussed in previous exercise, and 3 is the coefficient. So clear the two topics. After that, see, if an expression is written like this, 5x plus y, it means the degree of this polynomial is 1. And second thing, you can write this one like this also. Clear? If single one is written here, it means the value of this is 1y. After this, the main way to write the term with the variable is this, 4x minus 4y. You can't write like this, minus y4. This is wrong. You can just write with this first. So by this, the way to write the expression is, firstly sign plus or minus, then numeral, means 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, and after that the variable. Clear, students? These are the three forms. First you will write the sign, then you will write the numeral, and then you will write the variable x, y, z, whatever given in the question. After this, the last topic of this is like and unlike term. How you will choose the like term in the given question, and how you will choose the unlike terms. So what is like terms? Like terms are the terms which have the same variable with the same power. Same variable with same power. Focus on the word same power and same variable. Like example, 5x square plus 3x plus 6x square plus 4y plus 2x plus 3y. So in this exercise, the like terms are 5x square and 6x square. Variables are xx, power are square. Then 3x and 2x. xx variable same, power same. And last 4y and 3y. Clear? So like terms are same variable with same power. Now unlike terms. Unlike terms are also opposite of this. Not like terms are called unlike terms, or you can say dissimilar. Not like terms, right? Like 3x cube plus 4x plus 6. In this, there is no like term, right? So I hope that all topics are clear to everyone. So in this chapter, we have studied about these 7 topics which we have discussed in this introduction of exercise 11.4. First one is algebraic expression. What is the meaning of algebraic expression? An mathematical expression which contains variables, then constant and operations is known as algebraic expression. Then types. We have discussed 4 types: monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Then degree. Highest the power of the variable in the polynomial is known as the degree of that polynomial. Then factors. A term that divides an algebraic expression completely is called its factor. Coefficient. The term in an expression that is the numerical factor with sign, means numerical factor with sign. Sixth, parts of an algebraic expression, what is called term, the coefficient, variable, operations, constant, all these. Then like and unlike terms. Like term, same power, same variable, not base. See, base वो आपका तब था when that we are talking about the powers just. Now here in this we are talking about the complete variables, and in that variables those have the same power and the same variable is known as the like terms, and unlike or dissimilar terms are the terms which are not like terms. So clear about the introduction of exercise 11.4. Now for today your work is try to do this exercise at yourself. Try to this exercise 11.4, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the solution of this exercise.